Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch GS3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Honor Health application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Honor Health application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So first, let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, you should see this page, the main page of settings. Now, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see your Honor Watch GS3, and as you can see, we have two of them. Tap on the info icon next to the first one, and this is the one we're looking for. You should see this option, Share System Notifications. If you don't, check the other one, so the second one. And if you still don't see this option, close the settings for now. Open the Honor Health application on your iPhone. Tap on Device. Select your Honor Watch GS3 from the list of devices. Scroll down, tap on Notifications, and turn on the notifications and wait for a couple of seconds. And after a couple of seconds, you should see the pop-up on the screen about the notifications. Once you see the pop-up, tap on Allow to allow the permission. Then go back to Settings, Bluetooth, and look for this option. And once you find it, make sure it's enabled. Then go back to the main page of settings, find the Honor Health application on the list of apps, tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is turned on. Okay, now we can close the settings, open Honor Health application, tap on devices, select your Honor 3 GS, or rather Honor Watch GS3, my bad. Then scroll down, tap on notifications, turn on the notifications, and here we can turn on and off the notifications for messages and others. If you want to receive the notifications only from messages, you can disable the others, and if you want to receive the notifications from other apps, then messages, enable the others, and then you should be able to receive them. So now I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord to test it. And we got our message on our iPhone. Let's check the watch. So wake up the screen and swipe up on the screen. And here we have it. As you can see, we can tap on it to read it. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.